The Advin Health Care Percutaneous Vascular Access Set enables fast, precise, and safe vascular access. Introducing the Advin Health Care PTFE stainless steel guide wire, designed to provide smooth navigation and reliable control during diagnostic and interventional procedures. It supports accurate access across vascular pathways, enhancing procedural efficiency and clinician confidence. Manufactured using a high-quality stainless steel core, the guide wire offers excellent strength and torque response for stable device support. The PTFE coating significantly reduces surface friction, enabling smooth advancement and effortless device exchange through vessels and anatomical curves. The Advin Health Care PTFE Acess guidewire features an atraumatic tip that minimizes the risk of vessel injury while allowing precise positioning. Introducing the Advin Health Care femoral sheath, designed to provide secure and reliable vascular access during diagnostic and interventional procedures via the femoral artery or vein. It plays a crucial role in facilitating smooth catheter and guide wire exchanges while maintaining hemostasis. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the sheath offers excellent flexibility and kink resistance, ensuring smooth navigation through vascular anatomy. Its atraumatic distal tip minimizes vessel trauma during insertion, enhancing patient safety. The Advin Health Care femoral sheath features a hemostatic valve that prevents blood loss while allowing easy device manipulation. Clear length and size markings support accurate placement under imaging guidance, improving procedural control and efficiency. Designed for compatibility with standard guide wires and catheters, the sheath integrates seamlessly into routine cath lab workflows. Available in multiple sizes, it accommodates a wide range of clinical applications. Designed for single-use application, it ensures sterility and dependable performance trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide. The Advin Health Care Introducer Needle is designed to provide precise and reliable vascular access during interventional procedures. With a sharp atraumatic tip and thin wall construction, it allows smooth vessel puncture and easy guide wire insertion. Manufactured from medical-grade stainless steel, it ensures safety, accuracy, and dependable clinical performance. Introducing the Advin Health Care PTFE coated nitinol guide wire, designed to deliver smooth navigation and precise control during interventional procedures. The nitinol core provides excellent flexibility and shape memory, while the PTFE coating reduces friction for effortless advancement and device exchange. An atraumatic tip ensures safe vessel access and reliable performance trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide.